everyone, welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. Now let's get creative and make a quick and easy personalized pillow. On the table here I have two pieces of fabric that I have cut to the size I need for the pillow. I have used some spray adhesive just to spray the back of this stencil lightly, and then I have placed it in the middle of the panel. Now what I'm going to do is use my stenciling brush and fabric paint to pounce on top of the stencil here, just to transfer the words from the stencil to the fabric. I should have put this under before I did the stencil. Just forgot that step. So you guys remember to put something between your panels before you start stenciling. Let's remove the stencil. There we go. Now I'll use a piece of plain paper, fold it in half, and then go ahead and cut a free-form heart shape. I'll just use a little spray adhesive on the back of the paper and I'll place it down like so. Then I'm going to get my fabric paint and basically just go around the edge of the heart. Now I will remove the heart. Now I'll take this out. The next step is to draw a box in the middle of the panel the size of the insert, and the insert is 16 across by 12 inches. Across the panel is 23 inches. Therefore, the difference between 16 and 23 is 7 inches. So I'll go ahead and I'll divide that 7 inches into half so that I have 3.5 inches over here, and over here I'll have 3.5 inches also. Now from here to here it is 16 inches and the pillow is 12 inches, so there's a difference of 4 inches. So I'll half the 4 and I'll have 2 inches here, two inches. 2 inches, 2 inches. Now I'll go ahead and connect my dots. Now I'm going to make slits up to the line. Now what we're going to do is start tying the tabs together. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.